April's National Donate Life Month, and Singing River Health System partnered with the Mississippi Organ Recovery Agency to honor organ donors across the coast.
3 flag-raising ceremonies were held in Gulfport, Ocean Springs, and Pascagoula, bringing together healthcare workers and donor families. The event aims to raise awareness about the life-saving impacts of organ donation and encourage people to register to become donors. Organizers say one healthy tissue donor can save 8 lives and can enhance the lives of up to 75 different people.